What's a bamboo monster to do? Oh, that could hurt. Did that hurt? Hold on to it. What just happened?
Get it down. We need is a rake. Stay right there.
What are you trying to do?
Break it.
Did you break it yet? Well, did it break?
Old bamboo. Yeah.
Well, how'd that work?
Officially done. Hey, hold it from the end. Hold it from the end. I can't. Whoa. Let go.
Is it going to stay down?
Just let go. Let go, Ace. I can't. Why? You need to just let go.
He said you let go first.
You let go. You let go.
He said you let go first.
No, you let go. Let go. Just
Hey, you have to do it yourself. You can't tell the other person. You can't make the other person. Okay, everybody say 1, 2, 3, let go.
1, 2, 3, let go.
11, did you let go?
I was meant Ace to do it. We need to get it downwards.
Ace is against you now because you tricked him.
Stop, Ace. I am strong. No, you aren't. I'm strong there.
Were you holding 11 up?